Hello everyone, how are you? I think all friends will be fit and fine. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel Neha English Hub. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about power of listening. In order to learn any language, listening plays a vital role. It doesn't matter you are learning English language, you are learning Hindi language, you are learning Punjabi language, or you are learning Italian language. In any language, listening plays a vital role. Without listening, you can't learn any language. I'm giving you some examples. My one example is and have you seen the child, the baby who born in India and who born in America? What is the difference between two babies? I'm telling you the difference between two babies. The baby who born in India, he is able to speak in Hindi language by the observing and listening the people. And the baby who lives and born in America, he is able to speak in a English language. Have you ever thought how it happened? This happened by the listening. What they do, what both babies they do, only they do the one thing, 1 and 2 years only they listen properly. How in which situation people are interacting to the others, which sentence they are making, and how they are behaving when he is angry, when he is happy, when he is excited. So how they are speaking and which sentences they are using. First, they listen and they try to make a one word first, and then try to make a little sentence. Then he would be able to speak properly in their native language. So same happened with English. You can listen first. You have to fully focus to the listening. It will take time, but doesn't matter. Sooner or later, definitely you can learn it. So you should do try this method. And I'm giving you a next example. I'm giving my example. Before marriage, I used to live in a city. So that time I know about the city language. I didn't know about any other language. Whatever the my native language, I was able to speak. But after marriage, when I got married in a rural areas, so I didn't have any idea that time how I can speak in a rural language. But I didn't learn anything, any syllabus, any grammar, anything. But now, and deliberately, in my voice, in my language, I speak little bit just a rural people. Have you ever thought how it's happened? I was also thinking how it's happened in my language. Why? By the listening. By the listening the people, I most of the time I try to avoid. I don't want to get the rural area language, but I got it by the listening, because native language affects your language. So that's how I learned that language as well, and little bit I am able to speak. So by the listening, you get the things very easily. Uh, but before marriage, uh, my parents know about the Punjabi language. That is why I'm able to speak little bit Punjabi, because I didn't learn anything in a Punjabi language. But I am able to speak how? Because I was listening to my parents how they are speaking, and I used to watch the Punjabi drama, Punjabi movie. So I was able. So I think you got to know that what is the value of the listening. Listening is the very powerful. If you listen, so definitely you would be able to get properly all the things, how they are speaking and how they are performing. And you can start same like that tone, and it would be really very helpful. If other person can do it, so definitely you can do it. I started my this channel only to learn this language, only to I have a goal to good in this language. I want to good speaker in this language. That is why I started this channel. So when you have a goal, so your motivation doesn't get down. You always confident. Your confidence doesn't get down. So it is very important. You have to motivate all the time to learn this language. If other person can do it, so definitely you can do it. I'm giving you a last example of the Yashoda ma'am. Everyone knows about the Yashoda ma'am who lives in a rural area. Even though he started her channel and she is performing, doing such a great thing in her life. So everyone should motivate from her. She is my also motivator. So if she can do it, so also you can do it. Always be motivated and learn this language. Definitely, you will as soon as possible you can get your goal. To learn this language, you would be definitely good speaker in this language. I think this video is enough for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.